Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie, and I post workout videos and stretching videos for figure skaters and for non-figure skaters. So today we're going to be doing a nice little core workout, also going to be working our inner thighs, and we're using the mini ball. If you don't have a mini ball, you can use a pillow or a yoga block. So let's get right into it. We're going to start on our back. Let's just place our ball to the side for now, and we're just going to keep our back nice and grounded. We're just going to bring our knees to our chest, and we're just going to start off with some nice rock side to side, massaging our lower back here. Already thinking about breathing deeply, really expanding in our diaphragm, exhaling everything out, letting our ribs contract when we exhale. And then let's just hold on to our knees and start to do some nice hip circles, just guiding our knees around. And now going the other way with the circles. Good. And now let's just place our feet on the ground. We're gonna get our ball and we're just gonna place it between our knees. And we're just going to kind of work on warming up our core and finding out how to feel that engagement. So when we engage our abs, we want to think about our ribs getting nice and tight, our abs, our lower abs getting nice and flat. So kind of like you're trying to bring them down to the ground. But when we do that, we don't want to do this. We don't want to bulge out the stomach and really like bring that lower back into the ground. So trying to bring that movement from your abs, not the lower back, okay? Also, when we inhale, we want to think about expanding our pelvic floor, and when we exhale, we want to think about contracting it in this movement that we're going to be doing. So we're going to inhale nicely through the diaphragm, feel like you're lengthening down here. Then exhale, contract the ribs, contract your lower abs, contract the pelvic floor. Squeeze the ball. Hold for a moment, and then inhale, release. And exhale out of the mouth always. Inhale, release. Exhale out. Kind of think about your movement with the pelvic floor like you're a jellyfish going through the water. Inhale, release. Exhale, contract and squeeze the ball. Sorry. Had a little bit of spit in my mouth. And inhale, release. Exhale out and contract. Let's do two more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale in. Exhale out. Good. Let's place our arms to the sides. Let's hold this nice engagement, lifting up into our tabletop position. Let's keep a nice squeeze on the ball. And we're just going to do kind of like windshield wipers with our knees. So we bring our knees to the side, but not all the way down. And then we release to the other side. So we inhale here, exhale, bring the knees down. So this is nice for your spine as well. Keep that squeeze on the ball. Working our obliques here. And last one. And then come back to center. We're going to release that ball, and we're going to place the ball on our right knee. And we're just going to kind of place a firm squeeze on the ball with our hand. And our left arm is going to stretch, as well as our left leg, while we squeeze this ball. And then we just come back to center like so. So we inhale, exhale, squeeze. The whole time squeezing that ball. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Connecting with our lower abs here again. Let's not release that engagement. Last two. Keep those ribs nice and tight when we bring our arm back. No rib flare. And now bring that ball again in between your knees. Open your arms. Let's inhale, exhale, contract and engage the abs. And we go side to side one more time. Inhale, exhale, hold. Inhale, exhale, hold. Five more. Keep that squeeze on the ball. Last two. And last one. Now come back to center and let's do that move on the other side. So place the ball now on your left knee. Right arm comes up. Inhale, stretch the leg. Exhale, come back to center, keeping a squeeze on that ball. If this is too difficult for you, you can just tap the toes down and come back. Inhale, exhale. Four more. And 6, 7, and 8. Good, release. Bring the ball above your head, stretch your legs. Let's take a nice little arch in the spine. And then let's just roll ourselves up. We're gonna do one move on our bum, placing the ball slightly under our spine, at the lower spine. We're gonna bring our arms forward. Again, trying to find that nice flattening sensation in your abs. And we're just going to bring our right arm back, center. Left arm back, center. And always exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Good. And 6. Leaning back slightly so we feel this nicely in our abs. 8, 9, last one, 10. Now we're gonna go with both of our arms back just for 5. Inhale, exhale. Connect with your abs. If you feel like your hip flexors are dying, try to bring that engagement to the abs and not the hip flexors. And center, good job. Let's just come to a nice position on our knees. And we're gonna place the ball in between our knees, and we're gonna come to a nice bear pose. Before we do that, let's just roll out our wrists a little bit, warm them up so we don't have any achy wrists from being on our all fours or on our hands. Can take a quick little stretch here. Then other side. And then let's begin. Let's come to our all fours position. And we're just going to inhale, exhale, come into the position. All we're gonna do here is we're just gonna squeeze the ball, release. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. And we try to hold that squeeze. Again, let's breathe out of our mouth. Hold. 2 more. Head is nice and straight. Now release, keep the ball in between your knees, and we're just gonna come onto our left side, onto our left elbow. If you have pain under your elbow, just get a pillow or double up your mat. Your right hand goes to your hip. Let's engage those abs. Inhale, exhale, come up. Inhale, exhale, release, squeeze the ball. Inhale, release the squeeze, exhale, squeeze and lift. Going for 10 of these. Keep your head in line with your neck. If your neck really hurts, you can just look down, but try not to do this with your neck. Good. Last 2. And last one. Hold it here. And then just release. Let's release the ball. And just take a nice little mermaid stretch here, stretching to the side and towards our feet. And then just release. And then we're gonna do everything one more time. So come again to your all fours position. Ball comes in between your knees, tuck your toes under. Inhale, exhale, engage your abs, lift up. And we inhale, exhale, squeeze. Good. Keep yourself lifted from your shoulders. Don't sink down. Good. 3 more. Last one. Hold it. And release. Good. Let's go onto our right hip now and right elbow. Inhale. Exhale. Find that nice position with your abs. Inhale, exhale, lift and squeeze. Always holding a little bit at the top. And release. And 4. Good. Going for 10 of these. We're halfway there. Lifting from your shoulder here as well. Don't be sinking down like so. Keep it lifted. Good. 2 more. And now last one. Hold that squeeze. And let it go. Good. Release the ball. Inhale your right arm up now. Exhale, take that mermaid stretch on the other side. And then slowly release. And we are finished for today. Thank you so much for joining me. So happy to have you. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.